Over the past 6 lessons, you learned greetings, transportation, ordering food, shopping, asking for help, and social interactions in Korean. Now it's time to put everything together. In this lesson, we'll practice many of the expressions and situations you learned throughout the series in a more realistic travel setting. We'll follow 2 travelers, Philip and Bea, during their first time traveling in Korea. Throughout the day, they will use transportation, order food, go shopping, ask for help, and interact with people in Korean. And just like real travel, not everything will go perfectly. Sometimes they will get confused, misunderstand directions, feel stressed, or not understand what people are saying. But step by step, they will solve problems using simple Korean expressions and practical communication skills. As you follow their journey, try practicing together with them through pause and respond moments, choose the correct phrase activities, and short review questions. And remember, the goal is communication, not perfection. Let's begin Philip and Bea's first day in Korea. Finding Myeongdong Station. Philip and Bea leave their hotel located in Myeongdong, Seoul. They want to visit Hongdae area from Myeongdong Station, but they cannot find the subway station. Bea walks up to someone nearby. 실례합니다. Excuse me. 명동역 어디예요? Where is Myeongdong Station? 저기요, 쭉 가세요. 왼쪽이에요. Over there, go straight. What does 왼쪽이에요 mean? It's on the left. Philip and Bea walk for a few minutes, but suddenly they realize they went the wrong way. Philip looks confused. I think we went the wrong way. Bea laughs nervously. Let's ask someone again. This time, they ask a local person nearby. 영어 하세요? Do you speak English? 조금이요. A little. 명동역 어디예요? Where is Myeongdong Station? 아, 반대쪽이에요. Ah, it's on the opposite side. You are confused and want to ask, do you speak English? What do you say? Pause and try it. 영어 하세요? Philip and Bea finally find the subway station. Now they need to buy subway tickets. Buying subway tickets. Where can I buy the tickets? We need help. What should Bea say? A. 너무 매워요. B. 도와주실 수 있어요? C. 잘 먹었습니다. 도와주실 수 있어요? Can you help me? 네, 뭐 도와드릴까요? Yes, what can I help you with? 티켓 어디서 사요? Where do I buy a ticket? The worker explains how to use the machine, but the explanation is too fast. Bea looks overwhelmed. You cannot understand because the person is speaking too fast. What do you say? Pause and try it. 천천히 말씀해 주세요. 아, 네. 아, okay. This time, B understands. But when they enter the subway platform, they accidentally take the wrong line. I don't think this is the right train. B checks the subway map. Wait, I think we're going the wrong direction. You want to ask, is this the right subway to Hongdae? What do you say? 홍대 가는 지하철 맞아요? 아니요, 홍대 안 가요. No, it doesn't go to Hongdae. 반대 방향이에요. It's going in the opposite direction. Philip and Bea quickly get off at the next station. After finally arriving in Hongdae station, they decide to find a place to eat lunch. Ordering food. They walk into a small Korean restaurant. 안녕하세요. Hello. 안녕하세요. They look at the menu, but they do not know what to order. I have no idea what any of this says. How do they ask, what do you recommend? 추천해주세요. Or, 뭐 추천하세요? 불고기 추천해요? I recommend 불고기. For drinks, B accidentally orders iced coffee instead of hot coffee. Wait, I wanted hot coffee. You want to ask, can I change this? What do you say? 이거 바꿀 수 있어요? 네, 괜찮아요. Yes, it's okay. They ordered various dishes and the food arrived. B takes a bite of a spicy dish. 맛있어요. It's delicious. But a few seconds later, her expression changes. 너무 매워요. It's too spicy. 아, 그래요? Oh, really? 물 주세요. Water, please. Later, the restaurant owner comes over. 한국 처음이에요? Is this your first time in Korea? B smiles. 네, 처음이에요. Yes, it's our first time. 한국 정말 좋아해요. We really like Korea. The owner smiles warmly. After finishing the meal,
잘 먹었습니다.
thank you for the meal. After lunch, they decide to go shopping.
Shopping and tourist situations.
B finds a souvenir she likes. 얼마예요? How much is it? 15,000원이에요. What does 15,000원 mean? A. 1,500 won. B. 15,000 won. C. 150,000 won. It's B. 15,000 won. B wants to pay with her phone, but she is not sure if mobile payment works. You want to ask, does Apple Pay work? What do you say? 애플페이 돼요? 네, 돼요. Yes, it works. But Philip suddenly looks worried. Philip checks his pockets nervously. I think my wallet is missing. 아, 그러세요? Oh, really? 어디에서 잃어버리신 것 같아요? Where do you think you lost it? Philip checks his backpack again. 아, 여기 있어요. Ah, it's here. Later that evening, they want to return to the hotel, but things do not go smoothly. Asking for help. Philip's phone battery is almost dead, and B cannot remember the way back to their hotel. My battery is almost dead. You want to ask, can I charge my phone? What do you say? 휴대폰 충전할 수 있어요? They walk into a cafe. 실례합니다. Excuse me. 도와주실 수 있어요? Can you help me? 네, 뭐 도와드릴까요? Yes, what can I help you with? 휴대폰 충전할 수 있어요? Can I charge my phone? 네. Yes. Now back on the street, B realizes they do not remember how to return to the hotel. I forgot which way we're supposed to go. Are we lost again? You want to say, we're lost. What do you say? 길을 잃었어요. Philip approaches a person nearby. 길을 잃었어요. We're lost. 아, 그러세요? 어디로 가려고 하세요? Oh, I see. Where are you trying to go? 명동에 있는 헬로 호텔에 가려고 해요. We're trying to go to the Hello Hotel in Myeongdong. 아, 여기에서 가까워요. Oh, it's close from here. The staff explains quickly. Philip and Bea look confused. The directions are too fast. What do you say? 천천히 말씀해 주세요. Or 다시 말씀해 주세요. 아, 네. 아, 오케이. 편의점이 나올 때까지 쭉 가세요. Go straight until you see a convenience store. 그리고 오른쪽으로 도세요. Then turn right. 몇 분 정도 걸어가면 지하철역이 있어요. If you walk a few minutes, you'll see a subway station. 거기에서 명동역까지 지하철을 타세요. From there, take the subway to Myeongdong Station. 아, 감사합니다. 아, thank you. At the end of the day, they finally returned safely to the hotel. Yay! Today, Philip and Bea used transportation, misunderstood subway lines, ordered food, went shopping, asked for help, asked for directions, charged a phone, and interacted with people in Korean. Not perfectly, but successfully. Even when they got lost, misunderstood directions, felt stressed, or could not understand everything, they continued communicating step by step. That is how real communication works while traveling. Now, let's briefly review one more time. How do you say, "Where is Myeongdong Station?" 명동역 어디예요? How do you say, "What do you recommend?" 뭐 추천하세요? How do you say, "How much is it?" 얼마예요? How do you say, "We're lost"? 길을 잃었어요. How do you say, "Please speak slowly"? 천천히 말씀해 주세요. Great job today! You've now completed this 7-day Korean travel lesson series. Throughout these lessons, you learned greetings, transportation, food, shopping, asking for help, and social interactions. Most importantly, you practiced handling realistic travel situations step by step. And remember, you do not need perfect Korean to travel meaningfully. Even simple phrases, small interactions, and polite effort can help you communicate and create memorable experiences. If you enjoyed today's lesson, remember to like and subscribe, and come hang out in Korean again soon.